Hey y'all, good morning. This is Pastor Murray, and today is June 22nd, 2025, and we are fishing on the Savannah River Lake system. We are fishing for stripers, trophy stripers, the big boys. We've got live rainbow trout out. We've got live gizzard, shad, and also one blueback herring. So 2 trout, approximately 9 inches long, 2 gizzard shad, about 7 to 8 inches long, and we've got blueback herring, about 5 inches. We're pulling planer boards. Again, we're fishing on the Savannah River Lake system. Man, it's a beautiful morning. Water's cool, and the sun is just peeking through the fog. Just want to show that beautiful view to you, and also just with sunlight casting by, just a beautiful scenery here, and God's blessing to us. We hope to hear that drag screaming off soon. We're in a good location. Hope to get in on the early morning bite, but sometimes you have to work for it and grind away. But we got early start this morning. Ooh. Fish on, y'all. Fish on. Woo. Woo. Oh yeah, looks like a good one. Woo. Full of trout. Woo. He's in front of us. It's a good one. It's a good one, man. Woo. I don't know if he's ready to come in. Yeah. Beautiful fish. He's coming this way. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's good. Awesome fish. Beautiful. Beautiful. Good. I'm gonna let him go, but yeah, troll through there. I think that side seems to be pretty good. Okay, we gonna let him go, let him grow. Goes. Woo! Awesome. Fish on, fish on. Wow. Woo! Number 2 came while I was getting ready to bait up after number 1. So wow. So we're gonna let this guy go. Let him go, let him go. Back in the water, he's got a little blemish there. So he'll be okay. Swimming good. So here he goes. There he goes. Woo! Beauty. Nice one. GoPro take photo. We're gonna let this guy go and let him go, let him grow. So here he goes. Awesome.